We're quite excited to collaborate with Glencore on this exploration joint venture. We see this as a mutually beneficial transaction. Both parties hold significant tenure within the region, and we think it makes absolute sense to combine these resources as it enhances the potential to discover new ore bodies. Glencore is focused on discovering new sulfide base and precious metal ore bodies in this metal-rich area. They're spending up to $6.3 million to earn a 65% interest in our joint venture tenure. And Austral believes that there's excellent potential to define additional oxide copper resources that can be processed at our nearby processing plant. We think that the increased drilling activity in this area will certainly uncover more shallow copper oxides. So the prospectivity of this area has been enhanced by two new geophysical data sets that were collected late last year. It's a Heli V-TEM and a separate fixed wing Falcon gravity survey. These were done by Glencore late last year, processed early this year. And the data has generated a number of priority targets for the joint venture. So let's see what comes out of this as we get on the ground and then commence drilling. But we're pretty excited about what we can see through the geophysics. So of Austral's 2,100 square kilometres of tenure, this joint venture encompasses a smaller 330 square kilometre portion. So that's immediately about the Lady Loretta mine. So this still leaves Austral with an additional 1,800 square kilometres of ground for other exploration and development initiatives. So we have a $10 million per annum budget in place, and we're looking to partner portions of this ground with other explorers. So in short, we're working this ground as hard as we possibly can to make discoveries. So we recently commenced processing ore from our new Anthill copper mine. We've stacked over 50,000 tonnes of Anthill ore onto our heap leach, and we're expecting to see our first Anthill cathode copper sheets from next week, which is pretty exciting. And this will very quickly build to a rate of 10,000 tonne per annum of copper cathode from the middle of this year for a 4-year period. So this has been a wonderful effort by our operations team on site. They've just done a magnificent job to get us to this position. But now that we're achieving nameplate copper production, we can now, the company can now start focusing on its exploration and development initiatives. So separate to this joint venture, we have drilled at Flying Horse last month to collect fresh metallurgical samples. This month, we're commencing drilling at Dividend, Lady Annie and Lady Colleen. So there's lots of news flow to come from now on throughout the year in the way of drill results. Thanks very much.